Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're showing you how to make necklaces with scraps of cloth as a DIY project. You need scraps of cloth. Also, you can cut them from a t-shirt you don't use anymore or a piece of fabric. Universal ruler, rotary cutter, a chain, any type you like. If it's already rusty, we're adding some toothpaste to clean it. And scissors. So first of all, we're cleaning the chain with toothpaste and taking off the excess with a dry cloth. The chain will look like a new one. We're making fabric strips of 1/2 inch by 6 inches with the rotary cutter. So now that we have enough fabric strips, we're knotting them one next to the other to the chain. Then, we're cutting the end of the strips to give a curvy look. And it's done! Now you have a 123 Dream It original necklace. If you're a YouTube subscriber, don't forget to visit our website 123dreamit.com. You can find the link in the box down below, where you can find many categories and sewing hacks. Please do hit the thumbs up button if you learned something new today, and remember, practice makes better.